Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to see your activity on Instagram, there are two ways to do it. I'll show you both so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. If you just want a general overview of how much time you've spent on Instagram, you can check this through your phone's settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Screen Time, and find Instagram in the list of used apps. Here, you'll see details like how long you've used the app, how many notifications you've received, and even how often you've picked up your phone to check it. This gives you a basic idea of your Instagram usage, but it doesn't show things like interactions or posts. For a more detailed view, Instagram has built-in features to track your activity. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu wavy line in the top right and select your activity from the menu. This section gives you access to everything from your past interactions to the content you've shared. Inside your activity, you'll find different sections like time spent, interactions, and content you shared. You can check your likes, comments, and posts all in one place. If you want to see your search history, you can tap Search History to view or clear your past searches. There's also a recently deleted section where you can restore or permanently delete posts, stories, or reels that you've removed. That's it. Now you know how to check your Instagram activity, whether you're looking for time spent or a history of your interactions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.